natural ways to cure your irritable bowel syndrome today. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is common. It affects between 15 to 20% of the population in the United States and United Kingdom. It causes symptoms like stomach cramps, bloating, excessive flatulence, diarrhea, and constipation, significantly impacting daily life. IBS gives very similar symptoms to other, more serious conditions of the digestive system and can only be diagnosed once those other conditions have been ruled out by the appropriate medical tests. Your doctor is likely to request blood tests, a stool sample or an abdominal scan, or a colonoscopy or endoscopy. Symptoms such as unexplained weight loss, bloody stools, or severe fatigue are not associated with IBS and could indicate more serious conditions. So, providing you have a confirmed diagnosis of IBS from your doctor or specialist, let's look at how you can help it. Start by working out which foods or beverages aggravate your symptoms most so that you can avoid them. These will be individual to you and may vary from person to person. Keep a journal of what you eat and drink so that when your IBS flares up, you can remember what may have caused the flare-up. When you have worked out what may be aggravating your symptoms, you can eliminate that from your diet to see if it helps. To help you, here are the most common things that can cause irritation to the digestive system. Let's start looking at insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber can significantly worsen IBS. It's in vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, green beans, and potatoes. It is also in nuts and whole grain pasta and rice. Soluble fiber is usually better for IBS and is found in beans, fruits, and oat products are often fine. And next is gluten. Gluten often aggravates IBS and should be one of the first things for you to consider. Gluten is a group of proteins found in grains, rye, and barley. Gluten is found in more foods that you would expect: breaded and battered coatings, bread, pasta, biscuits, and cakes. Even some sausages, cooking sauces, gravy, and soy sauce. There are an increasing number of gluten-free alternatives for you to consider. Check out the gluten-free range at your supermarket. You can ask when ordering your meal while out, and many restaurants are now labeling their menus to help people with food intolerances. Cow's milk is another common consideration: milk, cream, cheese, and yogurts. If you find that dairy products aggravate your IBS, there are some tasty alternatives now available. You may want to consider goat's milk or soya milk. Fried foods are usually cooked in high amounts of unhealthy oils, making them difficult for your intestines to digest and process, causing irritation to your digestive system. Highly processed foods containing food additives like emulsifiers, colors, and preservatives are proven to cause hypersensitivity reactions in some IBS patients. The more ingredients there are in a food, the more likely it is to contain additives that trigger IBS symptoms. Candy bars and chocolate bars have been linked to aggravating IBS because of their high fat and sugar content. Some vegan options for chocolate lovers may be more tolerable for people with IBS. Onions and garlic can be triggers for some people with IBS. They contain oligosaccharide and fructans, which can be difficult for your intestines to break down. This may cause bloating and gas. Alcohol can increase stomach acid production, aggravating a sensitive digestive system. Also, most lagers, ales, and stout contain gluten because they are made using barley, wheat, or rye. Artificial sweeteners, like sorbitol and aspartame, are two common types of sugar substitutes that have been linked to causing abdominal cramps and diarrhea from IBS. Changing your diet may be daunting to begin with, but often you may only have to make 1 or 2 changes to your diet to make a big difference to your symptoms. Another big trigger of IBS flare-ups is stress. Stress interrupts digestive system activity. Prolonged stress can cause major problems for sufferers of IBS. Reducing your stress is essential. Improving how you react to situations that cause you stress can help too. Meditation, Tai Chi, and yoga can all help. If you are really struggling to cope with stress, then consider counseling. The next step to treating IBS is to cleanse your digestive system with aloe vera over a 6-week period. Aloe vera soothes and cleanses the gut. You can take the aloe vera each day on an empty stomach to get the best effect. I will leave links in the description for you to check out aloe vera options. Having cleansed your digestive system with aloe vera, the next step is to restore the friendly bacteria in your gut with probiotics. Probiotics play a crucial role in managing IBS. They help restore the natural balance of gut flora, reducing bloating and discomfort. I'll leave links in the description for you to check out the probiotics that I recommend. Herbal teas, such as peppermint and chamomile, can be soothing for those with IBS. Their antispasmodic properties help relax the gastrointestinal tract, easing cramps and bloating. Peppermint oil has emerged as a natural remedy for IBS due to its antispasmodic properties. Taking peppermint oil capsules can soothe the intestines, reducing bloating, gas, and pain associated with IBS. Ginger is not just a common kitchen spice, but also a powerful aid for digestive health. Its anti-inflammatory and gastrointestinal soothing effects can help manage nausea and abdominal discomfort in IBS patients. Natural remedies can offer significant relief for IBS. But if your symptoms do not improve, it's essential to seek professional advice. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you find the information in this video helpful.